Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video I'm going to create a quick in-depth review about this SEO tools platform, which is Link Miner. So let's get started with the review. Link Miner by Mango is a simple but effective backlink analysis tools built for beginners and small SEO teams. It shows you which websites link to your site alongside with useful data like link strength, anchor text, do follow, no follow tags, and even a preview of the backlink in context. You can save valuable backlink to list and use them for link building outreach later. The tools doesn't go as deep as iRef or SEMrush. It lacks features like link toxicity, scores, or integrated outreach option. Also, monthly link limit can be tight unless you upgrade. And here's a very conclusion about this Link Miner. So the platform works for freelancers and small businesses who need an easy way to explore backlink, but not ideal if you need in-depth real-time link audit. And that's it. So let me know in the comment section what you think about this platform review, and if you find the review a little bit helpful, turn on the notification button and subscribe for more. Thanks.